you know the Silk Route? Join me and discover one of the most important commercial and historical axes of the city of Valencia. When I was first told about this route, a question came to my mind. Where does it start? What is its origin? It started nothing more and nothing less than with the commercialization of Chinese silk brought from the East. Why was it so important? The Silk Road became, for centuries, the bridge between two worlds, a path through which not only traders travelled, but all kinds of people who brought with them different cultures and knowledge. Today we can still observe the numerous vestiges that silk has left in Valencia. Unfortunately, we can no longer enjoy the bazaars and cederis of the 14th to 18th centuries. Although we are lucky that there are still masterpieces like this. The incredible Silk Exchange. Look behind you. Also known as the Merchants' Market, this Valencian Gothic structure was declared a UNESCO Heritage Site in 1996 and is located opposite the Central Market and the Church of Santos Juanes, in the heart of the historic centre. Inside is a complete collection of textile pieces that are definitely worth visiting. Els Velluters were the masters of confection of the time, and in the neighbourhood that bears his name, we find the Silk College and Museum of Art, an incredible restored architectural structure that aims to preserve the splendour of the 15th to the 19th centuries. Today, this structure continues to function, with its artisans affiliated, giving continuity to a guild tradition of more than 5 centuries. During the visit, we can enjoy its rooms full of mosaics and history, the archive with its hundreds of historical documents, and also a beautiful terrace where you can have a drink. This is not the only thing, as we also have a shop where you can buy different products of the best silk. It doesn't end here. In the district of Moncada, we find the old Garin factory, where many of the magnificent looms of the regional festival were made and which are still operating. The current project is to make this factory a fully adapted museum. Shall we enter? Inside, we can visit a collection of more than 3,000 pieces that include the 19th century's machinery, cards, drawings, spoolings, and other resources that left their mark on the Valencian silk industry. But without a doubt, the greatest expression of silk, art, is found in the Fallas de Valencia. More than 60,000 fallas wear their fancy suits from the finest fabrics. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this experience as much as I did. See you!